It reflects back on the history of main roads and what's happened with our maintenance outsourcing that occurred in the late 1990s. At that time we actually lost a lot of expertise. This is just the next step to actually have the maintenance delivery brought back in-house. Having permanent employees in our regional centres is a real bonus, not just for the sustainability and being able to retain a critical mass in our regional offices, but also for those regional communities.
I started off on main roads in '83 and then I left main roads and had my family. Now I'm back home with main roads. At my age, I don't have to look for any more jobs. You know, I've got this job for as long as I want. I think I'll retire here.
It's nice to be back in the fold again. It's far better than private enterprise, that's for sure. Have certainty, have continuation.
I started in main roads in the early 90s. When it went out to contract, I went with a contractor and been with them ever since. And now coming back to main roads. Glad to be back at main roads. It's really good. Love the people.
Just the consistency of having a full-time job and not having to stress about, oh, I might not get any money this week is very important. Because both my kids are autistic, the routine of me going to work and then they see me in the afternoons, that's consistent all the way through. They can understand a bit more about what I do and that occasionally, because they're both Lego fanatics, that they get Lego sets.
Good opportunity to set myself up for life and make the roads safe for everybody.
The security side of things is a huge part because I don't want to be jumping from job to job. So this is definitely a lot better.
Oh, feeling good and important and just a good feeling I can finally say I work for main roads now. Yeah, my father, he was main roads, worked in the 1980s. I was happy when I got in with main roads. I was like, oh, that's like a family legacy, I'll keep it going.
I was stoked. I've got a secure job with many opportunities ahead of me and I'm excited to see what my future brings here.
A lot of guys, it's a weight lifted off their shoulders. We're all main roads now. A lot of guys have been here for a long time and I think that was always the issue. You know, they've probably worked for 6 different companies over the years and I think having that main roads behind you now, I think that's, you know, gives a bit more security.
It's been a very concerted effort by a lot of people. I'm really pleased and proud of the way that the teams have worked together. And I think the lessons learnt out of the transition of these first 2 regions really holds us in good stead for the transitions that are to follow.